Hello everyone, we are getting ready to make some turkey soup because I was cleaning out the freezer and I found this. It's a turkey carcass from last time we had turkey. It is October, pretty sure this is from last Thanksgiving, maybe Christmas. Either way, it was in the freezer. Might have a little freezer burn, but it's fine because we're using it for stock. So to start the turkey soup, I've got onions, carrots, and celery. I've made a video on this before, but if you don't want to watch the old one, I'm just going to do a refresher. So I'm going to cut up 2 onions. I'm going to use about 4 carrots and half the celery and just clean it and then chop it up in chunks. It's going to go into my stock pot with the turkey carcass and then cover it with water. Bring it to a boil, and then once it comes to the boil, let it simmer for 3 hours. Seems like a long time, but we're boiling these turkey bones, whatever's left on the turkey bones down to create a stock, which will be the base for our turkey soup. These onions are super strong. I'm crying really bad. So I got the turkey in there. It's been defrosting for 2 days, but it's still kind of frozen. That's fine. Little freezer burn, but again, I'm just boiling it down for stock, so it's okay. And then I have some celery and some carrots. I'm gonna keep covering it until the water is just like maybe a ½ inch above all the vegetables. It's been cooking for over 2 hours, and we did add salt, pepper, and a little thyme just to spice it up a little. Not too much thyme. The spice. We're gonna give it another hour. Robert taste tested it. Go ahead, laugh.
Nothing. You added time to it.
I did add time to it.
You added the spice. You didn't add time to the timer. Oh, it tastes delicious.
It tastes delicious? Okay, good. It's been 3 hours. We taste tested it. It tastes delicious. So I put some water to boil because I'm going to boil some noodles to go with the broth. So the next step is I'm going to strain out all, the bones, the carrots. I just strain everything out until there's just a nice broth left. Also, when we strain everything out, we'll pull off bits of the turkey meat and add that back into the broth because it is turkey soup. Here is the soup strained out. Here is all the bones and stuff. Robert's gonna pull out some turkey meat. The guts. My stove is full. This does use a lot of pots. The noodles are cooked, and now I'm just gonna spoon the broth over it, and this is our turkey soup. And then we got some bread heating in the oven.
What kind of bread?
Cheesecake Factory bread,
Okay.
which is the best bread in the world. All the cats are watching. I can't eat in peace in this house.
In like educational videos and things like that I've looked up. It's Pecos. That's what we're going with.
Come on, Sage, knock it off. Stop it. Stop it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Stop it.
He really wants that piece of bread.
That sets the scene for the wild crazy guy. There's indoor seating, there's outdoor
We put up with too
seating,
much.
there's a lot